Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today on tools for social media marketing, part 6. So I'm going to talk about video hosting platforms. So video is an essential part of social media marketing. If you are looking to market your brand or yourself or your company products and services, you must definitely use video marketing, and hence you should use top video marketing platforms. Now, obviously, YouTube is the top tool to use. But I'm not going to talk about YouTube today. I'm going to talk about two more great platforms that you can potentially leverage and still derive the upside in your marketing campaigns for social media, using social media for your brands and your products and services. So let's dive in. Before we do that, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please comment on my videos, share my videos, and that'll really help me in help and motivate me in doing what I'm doing for creating videos on various topics that I typically on a day-to-day basis work on. So let's get into my presentation straight away. So the first hosting platform, video hosting platform that I'm going to talk about is Wistia. Now you would have heard of this. Now this is a great platform to host brands because you can actually customize the call to action at the end of the video. And it really allows you to share videos across the web. The greatest USP is that customization of the call to action, because that's what the viewer, the consumer of the video media will actually click on to, which will take him or her to the landing page of your brand or product sales page. So that's where you do the conversion. So that CTA is very, very critical. But I'm not saying that you can't do that on YouTube. Of course you can, but that particular element is it really gives a great leg up to Wistia because they do it really, really well. And historically, this particular element of customized CTA really has helped many brands to drive viewers onto specific landing pages. The second hosting platform that I'm going to talk about is Vimeo. Now, you are also very much aware of Vimeo. There are about 35 million people who are on Vimeo today. And this is, I think, a data which was of last year, 2020. You can actually create stunning videos on Vimeo. Vimeo, the rendering of the videos is super good. You can build those high quality, high definition, and most important, ad-free videos on the site. So there are typically no ads. Now that's a problem with YouTube, because YouTube, after a certain number of views on a particular YouTube channel, it will start pushing in ads on YouTube. But on Vimeo, that's not the case. So that ad-free element attracts a lot of traffic to the site, and many brands and marketers and products and services, even affiliate marketers, individual marketers use Vimeo extensively. So these were the two platforms that I wanted to talk about for the key reasons. Really, Vimeo, essentially, you get ad-free videos, and for Wistia, you actually get those customized CTAs links that really takes that really compels viewers to go onto new onto your landing pages or conversion pages. So I will also link on the card above on the topics on tools that I spoke about yesterday. And tomorrow I'm going to talk more on some new aspect of social media marketing tool, which will be very interesting because that also those tools are also essential for marketers and brands who are really looking to build a great presence on social media. So until then, thank you very much. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology and marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You will find my LinkedIn URL in the description down below. Please feel free to connect with me. You can subscribe to my newsletter. There'll be a link to the subscription form in the description down below as well. I regularly work with companies and startups trying to solve their business and marketing and technological problems, challenges. If you are looking to engage me as a consultant for your company, please check yes on that subscription form. I shall reach out to you very, very soon. So please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please comment on my videos. Please share my videos. And until next time, you have a great day ahead and take care. And I shall see you soon. Bye bye.